Welcome to our ultimate countertop ice maker showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular models, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker Machine. If you're in the market for an ice maker, you might be wondering which one is the best fit for your needs. In this video, we'll break down their features, performance, and value for money, so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The first key difference between these two ice makers is the type of ice they produce. The free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker is renowned for its soft, chewable nugget ice, often referred to as sonic ice, which is perfect for drinks and is highly sought after by many consumers. On the other hand, the OLIXIS Ice Maker produces traditional bullet-shaped ice cubes, which, while functional, may not provide the same chewable experience. If you prefer nugget ice for your beverages, the free VILLAGE is the clear choice, while the OLIXIS offers a more standard option. Next, let's talk about production capacity. The free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive daily production of 34 pounds of ice, making it ideal for larger families or gatherings. In contrast, the OLIXIS Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for casual use, but may fall short during larger events. If you need a high volume of ice, the free VILLAGE is the better option. Finally, let's compare the speed of ice production. The OLIXIS Ice Maker shines in this category, producing its first batch of ice in just 6 minutes, which is perfect for those who want ice on demand. In contrast, the free VILLAGE takes 12 minutes for its first batch, which may be a consideration if you're looking for immediate results. If speed is your priority, the OLIXIS Ice Maker is the winner here. In conclusion, both the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize ice quality and production capacity, the free VILLAGE is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that produces ice quickly, the OLIXIS is a fantastic choice. Whichever you choose, both machines will serve you well in keeping your drinks cold. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.